Welcome to the channel, you bunch of hungry viewers. Today we're not just stuffing our faces, we're diving headfirst into a culinary crusade, exploring the bloody impact of food on this bloody planet. From the cheesy depths of pizza to the delicate artistry of sushi, we'll expose how these dishes escaped their culinary borders and conquered the world. We're talking global domination, economic empires, and enough cultural exchange to make your head spin faster than a salad spinner. Get ready to have your preconceived notions about food obliterated. This is more than just a cooking show. This is a bloody revolution. Pizza, you saucy devil. What started as a humble street food in the back alleys of Naples is now a global phenomenon. We're talking billions of dollars, mate. The impact of this cheesy masterpiece on the fast food industry is undeniable. It's everywhere, from the greasy spoons to the Michelin-starred restaurants. And don't even get me started on the delivery drivers, risking life and limb to bring you a piping hot pizza. It's a global network of dough, sauce, and cheese, fueling economies and satisfying cravings like a culinary crack. You think you know pizza? You've got no bloody idea. Sushi, you beautiful, delicate bastard. Who would have thought that raw fish on rice would have the world shouting omakase at the top of their lungs? This ain't just food, it's an art form. But don't be fooled by the elegance. Sushi's impact on global trade is massive. We're talking about a complex network of fishermen, suppliers, and chefs working in perfect harmony to bring you that perfect bite. And the cultural exchange? Forget about it. Sushi has bridged continents, bringing people together over a shared love of fresh, delicious, and yes, sometimes intimidating food. Tacos, you fiery little devils. They're the ultimate street food, a culinary explosion wrapped in a tortilla. From the bustling streets of Mexico City to the food trucks of Los Angeles, tacos have taken the world by storm. And it's no surprise. They're affordable, delicious, and infinitely customizable. You want it spicy? You got it. You want it vegetarian? Done. Tacos are a testament to culinary ingenuity and the power of food to bring people together. Chapter 4: Curry, a spice odyssey across continents. Curry, you fragrant, flavorful beast. From the kitchens of India to the pubs of London, curry has conquered the world one aromatic bite at a time. It's a testament to the power of spice, the artistry of blending flavors, and the universal love for a good hearty meal. But curry is more than just a dish. It's a journey through the spice trade, a cultural exchange that has shaped cuisines and palates for centuries. So next time you tuck into a steaming bowl of curry, remember, you're experiencing a culinary legacy. Chapter 5: Burgers, the American icon that conquered the world. Burgers, you juicy, meaty monsters. Need I say more? This American classic has become a global symbol of indulgence, satisfaction, and let's face it, pure bloody deliciousness. From fast food chains to gourmet burger joints, the humble burger has conquered the world one juicy bite at a time. But it's not just about the beef, it's about the cultural impact. The burger represents the American dream, the idea that anything is possible with a bit of ingenuity and a whole lot of flavor. Chapter 6: Pasta, a culinary love affair with Italy. Pasta, you slippery, slurpable seducer. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the bustling trattorias of Rome, pasta is synonymous with Italy. It's a testament to the Italian passion for food, family, and tradition. And the world has fallen head over heels in love with this culinary romance. Pasta's impact on the global food scene is undeniable. It's a billion-dollar industry, fueling economies and satisfying cravings all over the planet. Chapter 7: Dim sum, a taste of Chinese tradition served globally. Dim sum, you delightful little parcels of joy. This Chinese culinary tradition has charmed its way into the hearts and stomachs of food lovers worldwide. From the bustling tea houses of Hong Kong to the dim sum restaurants popping up in every corner of the globe, these bite-sized beauties are a testament to the artistry and delicacy of Chinese cuisine. It's a culinary adventure, a symphony of flavors, and a cultural experience all rolled into one. Chapter 8: Falafel, a Middle Eastern staple goes global. Falafel, you crispy, crunchy flavor bombs. These little chickpea fritters are a staple of Middle Eastern cuisine, and for good reason. They're packed with flavor, protein, and a whole lot of heart. And the world has taken notice. Falafel has gone global, embraced by vegetarians and meat eaters alike. It's a testament to the power of simple ingredients, bold flavors, and the universal love for a damn good street food snack. Chapter 9. Kimchi, the Korean sensation fermenting its way to global domination. Kimchi, you spicy fermented firecracker. This Korean staple has exploded onto the global food scene, and it's not hard to see why. It's pungent, it's addictive, and it's damn good for you. From kimchi fried rice to kimchi pancakes, this versatile ingredient has found its way into kitchens and restaurants worldwide. It's a testament to the bold flavors of Korean cuisine and the growing global appetite for fermented foods. Chapter 10. Chocolate, a global love affair with a dark side. Chocolate, you seductive, decadent devil, who can resist your sweet embrace? From the ancient Mayans to modern-day chocoholics, chocolate has captivated hearts and taste buds for centuries. But behind the sweet facade lies a complex and often bitter truth. The global chocolate industry is riddled with ethical dilemmas, from deforestation to unfair labor practices. So next time you indulge in a chocolate bar, remember, it's not just about the taste, it's about making responsible choices. Outro food for thought. So there you have it, you lot, a culinary journey across the globe exploring the dishes that have shaped our world. We've seen how food can build empires, spark revolutions, and bring people together. Remember, food is more than just sustenance. It's a powerful force that connects us all. So go out there, explore different cuisines, and appreciate the incredible impact food has on our lives. And don't forget to subscribe and tell us which dish blew your bloody mind. Until next time, get cooking.